So we would like to introduce the indefinite integral and do a simple example. So basically, when we write the indefinite integral of f of x dx, this is all antiderivatives of f of x. And the way this is realized is by finding one antiderivative. So if derivative of f uppercase is f lowercase, then the indefinite integral of f of x dx will be the function f uppercase of x plus an arbitrary constant c. And this is because over an interval, and I emphasize that this is true only over an interval, two antiderivatives differ by a constant. So if you know one antiderivative, then you know them all by just adding an arbitrary constant to an antiderivative that you already know. So for example, the indefinite integral, meaning all antiderivatives of cosine x, will be sine x plus c. Why? Because the derivative of sine x is cosine, meaning sine x is an antiderivative for cosine x, and then we add the arbitrary constant c. Now, we would like to apply a small trick here. That is, whenever we have to find an antiderivative, or an indefinite integral for that matter, and we take an initial guess, and our initial guess gives us as derivative not what we have. Sometimes we call this function the integrand. So it doesn't give us the integrand, but rather it gives us a constant multiple of the integrand. Then the correct antiderivative is our first guess divided by that constant. And this is exactly what we're going to apply in this particular problem. And we're going to explain it once more. So let's see what we meant here. So we want to find the indefinite integral, meaning the antiderivative, or all antiderivatives for that matter, of cosine of 3x. And since the derivative of sine is cosine, we make the initial guess that sine of 3x could be the answer. Well, if we take the derivative of sine of 3x, we find cosine of 3x times the number 3. This is implied by the chain rule. So we see that we don't find exactly cosine of 3x, but we also find a multiplicative constant, 3. Whenever that's the case, then our answer is going to be our initial guess, which is sine of 3x, divided by that constant, meaning divided by 3. And the idea is very simple. If you divide by that constant in advance, then upon differentiation, the constant, the presence of that divisor will eliminate the extra factor that you get, and you will get exactly what you want. And we also add plus c. Of course, this whole thing can be formalized when we talk about substitution, but it's a simple method that we can apply in many different cases. And that's all. Thanks for watching.